In this lesson, we will understand the calendar section of Open VTS. The calendar helps the Superadmin view important platform events by date, such as user creation, vehicle creation, and expiry-related events. Now we are inside the calendar screen. At the top left, we can see the page title, Calendar. At the top right, there is a close button. Clicking this button closes the calendar window and returns to the previous screen. Now look at the main calendar area. Here, Open VTS shows the monthly calendar view. At the top, we can see the current selected month and date. The left and right arrow buttons are used to move to the previous or next month. The Today button brings the calendar back to the current date. Each box represents one day of the month. If something happened on a specific date, the calendar shows small event labels inside that date box. For example, it can show user events, vehicle events, or expiry events. Now look at the filter buttons at the top right of the calendar. There are 3 filters: users, vehicle, and expiry. When no filter is selected, the right side panel tells us to enable filters to view events. Now click on the Users filter. After enabling users, the calendar shows user-related events. For example, if a user was created on a date, the calendar shows a user event on that date. Now click on the Vehicle filter. After enabling Vehicle also, the calendar starts showing both user and vehicle-related events. This helps the Superadmin quickly see when users and vehicles were created. Now click on the Expiry filter. After enabling all 3 filters, the calendar shows users, vehicles, and expiry-related events together. This gives a complete event overview for the selected month. Now click on a date that has events. On the right side, the Detail panel shows the selected date. It also shows the event list for that day. Here, we can see sections like Users Created and Vehicles Created. Under Users Created, the system shows the username, email address, and time. Under Vehicles Created, the system shows the vehicle name, vehicle number, and time. At the bottom, Total Events shows the total number of events available for that selected date. There is also a search box inside the Detail panel. We can use it to search users or vehicles inside the selected date events. Now click on a user event. A User Details pop-up opens. This pop-up shows complete information about the selected user. Here, we can see the username, email, phone number, username, status, created date, and the admin who added the user. The Close button at the top right closes this pop-up and returns back to the calendar screen. So the workflow is simple. Open Calendar. Select the required filters. Click a date with events. Review the right side event panel, and click any event to view full details. The calendar is useful for tracking important platform activity by date, especially user creation, vehicle creation, and expiry-related information.